Hello, and welcome to Storytime for Kids. Today I'm finally going to read the fourth chapter of this amazing book. It's called Little Kids' First Big Book of Reptiles and Amphibians, and this book is from Catherine D. Hughes and National Geographic Kids. And you were probably waiting for this chapter, but it took me a while to get back to it. And don't think I forgot about it. I just didn't have the time. So I hope you like it. And if you like this video, please check the description below. You will find the chapter 1, 2, and 3, and eventually the fifth chapter. Okay? I hope you like it. Today we're going to read chapter 4, Ancient Swimmers. And this is a saltwater crocodile. The group of reptiles in this chapter is called crocodilians. Crocodilians have been around since the time of the dinosaurs. This one here does look like a dinosaur, don't you think? Here we go. American alligator. Mother alligators protect their babies. Facts. Home. Freshwater rivers, lakes, and marshes in the southern U.S. Food. Fish, turtles, and small mammals. Babies. 20 to 60 eggs at a time. And look how big it is compared to a child. When the eggs hatch, the mother digs the peeping baby alligators out of the nest. Most baby reptiles are on their own from the time they hatch. American alligators are different. A mother alligator builds a nest made of mud and plants on dry land near a river or lake. After she lays her eggs in the nest, she covers them with plants. This keeps the eggs warm. Then she gently carries them in her mouth, a few at a time, to the water. They can swim right away. The babies stay near their mother for about 2 years. The ancestors of today's alligators lived in the same time that dinosaurs roamed the earth. The alligator is one of the largest reptiles in North America. How many other animals can you name that make a nest for their eggs? Birds, turtles, among many others. Dwarf crocodile. This crocodile is small but tough. Facts. Home. Swamps in parts of Western Africa. Food. Mainly fish, frogs, toads, and crustaceans. Babies. 10 to 14 eggs at a time. Size. Yeah, they're actually very little. The main predator of full-grown dwarf crocodiles is a larger species of crocodile. This little crocodile has more predators than bigger crocodilians, but it has extra protection. Its whole body is covered by tough scales. Unlike most other crocodiles, even its belly is covered with them. The dwarf crocodile's webbed toes and flattened tail help it swim. Its eyes and nose are on top of its head. This allows it to see and breathe while it floats just under the surface. Floating helps hide the crocodile from predators and from prey. Baby dwarf crocodiles stay with their mother for a few weeks, and then they are off on their own. This is a hatching crocodile. Do you like to swim underwater? Why or why not? Do you? And these are their webbed toes. Kind of like a duck, right? Saltwater crocodile. This crocodile is the world's largest living reptile. Salty is a nickname for saltwater crocodiles. The saltwater crocodile has the strongest known bite of any living animal. Oh boy, I really don't want to find one in the ocean for sure. What nicknames can you make up for some of the other animals in this book? Oh, I will tell you one. They call turtles torts or baby dinos. So here we go. A saltwater crocodile hunts almost anything that moves. For prey in the water, such as a shark, the crocodile sneaks up on it underwater. Once it is close, Whoosh! The crocodile lunges up to grab its meal. For prey on land, such as a water buffalo getting a drink, the crocodile quietly swims close to shore. Suddenly, it bursts out of the water, grabs the buffalo, and drags it into the water. The reptile holds its prey underwater until it drowns. A saltwater crocodile can stay underwater for more than an hour before coming to the surface. Wow, that is a long time. Facts. Home. Saltwater and freshwater areas in eastern India, Southeast Asia, and northern Australia and surrounding islands. Food. Almost any animal, including water birds, sea turtles, sharks, monkeys, and deer. Babies. 40 to 60 eggs at a time. And look how big they are. They're huge. Spectacled caiman. Baby caimans have babysitters. A female spectacled caiman builds a nest when she is ready to lay her eggs. She protects her eggs until they hatch, which takes about 3 months. The mother helps her hatchlings find their way to water close to the nest. Other caimans usually live nearby and also have new babies. Often, one mother babysits the caiman's babies. The moms take turns hunting for food and guarding the little caimans. Caimans stay near their mother for protection for about a year and a half. By then, they have grown big enough that most predators leave them alone. Then the young caimans go off on their own. The bones around a caiman's eyes make it look like it is wearing spectacles or glasses. That is how it got its name. Adult caimans are dark green. Baby caimans are yellow with black spots and bands. Facts. Home. Fresh water and salt water in parts of Central and South America. Food. Insects, fish, lizards, snakes, birds, and other small animals. Babies. 20 to 40 eggs at a time. Size. They're not the biggest. Thank goodness. Do you like it when a babysitter takes care of you? Babysitters are pretty cool, right? Gharial. These crocodilians' long jaws are perfect for catching fish. The gharial's long, narrow jaws hold more than 100 sharp teeth. Its teeth work perfectly to catch slimy, slippery fish. A gharial sometimes floats at the water's surface. It waits for a meal to swim by. Snap! The gharial catches the fish and swallows it head first. Another way a gharial hunts is to swim underwater, slowly sweeping its head and jaws back and forth until it feels a fish. Snap! The gharial's jaws move with lightning speed and capture the fish. Gulp! The reptile swallows the fish whole. The male gharial has a bump at the end of his nose, called a gara. Males use it to blow bubbles to impress female gharials. A gharial swims better than it walks. On land, its short legs cannot lift its heavy body off the ground, so it scoots on its tummy. Facts. Home. Freshwater rivers in parts of Bangladesh and Nepal and northern India. Food. Mostly fish. Babies. 20 to 60 eggs at a time. Size. Look, they're very long. Do you like to eat fish? Why or why not? I do, but I like to eat it fresh. And this comes on the next chapter. So this will be in the next video that I will try to post very soon. Okay? I hope you like this book. I want to know, do you like crocodiles or caimans? I think they're pretty cool, but they're a little scary. At least for me, but they're so cool, don't you think? Well, thank you so much for listening, and I will see you soon for the next chapter. Bye.